How to sell ebooks on Gumroad. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can sell your ebooks on Gumroad. Now the process is very simple, so let's get started right away. You're first going to access your dashboard in Gumroad, of course. And after that, you're going to have to select your products option over here on the left side. After that, you will be redirected to this part. Simply click on new product over here on the top right, and you will be able to begin the process of creating product. As you can see here on the type of product that they have, you have the option to upload or have an ebook. So simply click this and type in the name of your product, whatever name of your product you desire. So let's say AI 101. Then you could put in the price over here, let's say $50. And you could now proceed to the next part, which is the customization part. Now, in this part, you will be required to upload a cover, thumbnail, that would be posted over here on the right side. This is the preview. Now, it's not 100% required, but this is something that is suggested or recommended because it will attract customers the more professional your output is. And we will use Canva for today's video to create our cover and thumbnail. But before we get started with a cover and thumbnail, let's first start with a very simple page. Let's go start with a flyer. Now we will first create a very simple ebook cover. We won't use it for the cover for this one or the thumbnail. We will just use it as part of the parts that would be found on the covers and thumbnails. Now over here, as you can see, we have our canvas over here, a blank page. Then you will be able to see different types of templates over here on the left side on the design. So simply look for the template that you like, and you can basically customize the template that you have found. For example, this one. So I'm going to change this to AI 101, and then you could change the other information. So, assuming you have built your page over here, the purpose of this is to have a front page for your ebook. So if you already have a front page cover for your ebook, you could use that. But for me, since I'm starting from scratch, we don't have one yet. But if you are also free, or you are also able to build your cover page using Canva from scratch. And as you can see, I already have this. We have used a template. After having a cover page, or if you already have it, just upload it on Canva. I'm going to download this one for now. We need it as a PNG. Click on Add Page. And if you already have yours, simply upload it on a new page. Just like what we're going to do, just like this, and it will now be uploaded on this page. Now it's a flat photo. You won't be able to edit the elements just like what it is, or just like what you will be able to do over here at the top. But this time, this is a flat image. After this, simply click on Edit Image. Click on Smart Mockups or scroll down. As you can see, you have the Smart Mockups option over here. Click on See All. Scroll down to the bottom, look for the options Books. There we go. Choose the option Book 6. If you click on the option Book 6, you will be able to have this design over here. As you can see, it will look like a 3D book. That is a digital 3D book. There we go. And this is something we will need. Now this is our book right now. After this, the black part will disappear eventually. You're just going to have to wait for it. But after that, let's go start our cover. For our cover, as you can see, it is requiring us to have this size. 12080 by 720 pixel. So go back to Canva again. Click on Create Custom Size. And simply type in the size. 12080 and 720 pixels. Then click on Create New Design. Then let's go back here. Let's download our page 2. Click on Share, Download, Select the specific page, which is page 2. Done. Transparent background and download. Now going back here, let's simply create a design for your cover page. And for me, I'm going to do it once again. Just simply get a template over here. Let's not change this much anymore. Let's just delete some elements, but this will be our cover. But for you guys, you could utilize the elements over here. There's a lot of elements that you could utilize to build your output. There's hundreds and thousands of elements. You could also search up images if you want, or you can even upload them. We also have text over here, a lot of font groups that you will be finding useful, so you could explore them as well. So in elements, let's say search space, you'll be able to find different graphics. As you can see, a lot of graphics, a lot of photos as well that you could utilize, and even videos, as you can see here. So this is a very useful platform to use. But as you can see, let's upload our ebook cover that we have just created in our first part to be here. And let's wait for it to finish uploading. Let's drag it back into our space over here again. There we go. We now have it over here. And now we have our book over here, as you can see. A 3D effect. Let's click on edit image. And let's try to add some shadow. There we go. Angle shadow or drop shadow. Then let's click again for the settings. And you will be able to see the shadow in a bit. You're going to have to wait for the black part to disappear again. But you can see it a bit. Barely. So let's adjust it. Offset. Let's apply that for now. There we go. Then you're going to have to wait for the black part again to disappear. And you will be able to notice that there will be a shadow on your book. Now, while waiting for this, let's go back here again. And now we have the thumbnail. We have the 600 by 600 pixel over here. Do the same thing in the width and the height. 600 by 600. Click on create new design. And you could begin creating your thumbnail as well. Now you could utilize this played part over here as your thumbnail instead. So I'm just going to upload it. And this one, as you can see, you now have a shadow for your output. And you could change this visual art lesson or ebook, then AI 101, something like that. Then after this, simply download it also. Download it as a PNG. Over here, we're simply going to upload this one. Make it bigger. And have it like that. You could be as creative as you want. I'm just doing this to save us time and process so that I don't waste your time, because we're not going to be demonstrating the creation of it. I'm just going to show you the process, which is what we're doing. But there we go. So simply upload the file that you have just created. It take you up to click on computer files, select that, then for the cover, computer files, there we go. Now you could also put in the description over here. It is a required part, so we could use ChatGPT for now to generate our description. Since we're using AI either way, create a 200-word description for an ebook about AI 101. Then click on enter, and it will produce you the description that you need. There we go. So simply wait. Now simply copy this one, Control C, go back to Gumroad and paste it over here. There we go. It will appear over here on the right side. This is our preview as well. Let's see the preview of our output right now. And as you can see, we have our description over here, and we have our very professional cover, which is very nice. And the thumbnail, I'm not sure where it's supposed to appear, but we have our thumbnail. Let's exit that for now. And you have the product info, call to action. You could say buy this. It will change the button that you will have. The summary, you'll get PDF copy. Then you have your additional details. You could add details as well. And you have your instructions over here, or integrations, wherein you invite your customer to a circle community or a Discord server. You have your pricing over here, or allow customers to pay what they want, but the minimum would be $50, and they could add if they want. You could also add different versions by clicking that, and you could change the name into something else. So let's say AI 101 Pro. And of course, the pricing would be different. Let's say $60, something like that. Then you could have that version as well. Then you have your settings over here, like limit product sales, allow customers to choose a quantity, publicly show numbers of sale, generate unique license per sale. You have your mark product as e-publication for bot purposes, or specify a refund policy for this product, as you can see. And after that, you can simply click on save and continue. And now over here, this is where the content will be. This is where you're going to upload the content of your AI 101. So let's say, create the content of the ebook. Here we go. And you can simply upload the content that you're trying to sell over here, or you could upload the file if you have your PDF already. And let's click on got it for this one for now. Then let's wait for our output over here. This is a very simple outline, but let's upload it over here. There we go. We now have our content, and let's go and publish and continue. And now over here, you could now share your post. You could share it on Twitter, Facebook, or you could copy the URL. And there's also categories over here, and you can simply save changes. So when they visit your site now, this is what they're going to see. They have your cover, which is very professional, as you can see. You have your description over here. Then you have your PDF copy pages. We didn't specify how many pages, but we have your quantity over here. The fair price, we could choose the AI 101 Pro or not. And you can click on buy this. And you can simply buy the product that you have just uploaded. And then you could view it again in the products option over here. As you can see, we have the products over here. You can click on the three dots. You could either archive it or delete permanently. But that's basically it. That is how you will be able to sell ebooks in Gumroad. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.